Good evening guys, and be welcome to another inbox review. This time we have the HMS Devonshire from Airfix, a vintage classic. So which means that this is an old kit that's been reboxed and brought to the market again. I got this on the Airfix Content Creator Day. It was free of charge, but under no circumstances I'm obligated to say only good things about it. So I'm gonna give you my honest and my fair opinion about it, and we go from there. So let's open the box. Opening the box, we have the small decals, which is they're not that big, as you guys can see. There you go. See if I can focus this properly. So you have the small decals for all the ship. Then we have the instructions. Instructions still a bit on the old type. Not a bit, still old type. So shows the vintage and the age of the kit. It comes in 7 straightforward steps and one paint scheme. We have a helicopter to land on the deck. We have all the paint schemes for it, so seems a very straightforward model to build. This is the colors call out, obviously all of them Umbro, and yeah, it looks fairly decent. The instructions, the whole comes in two parts. I don't like this bit here. Having to glue them in two halves always brings trouble, but we'll see how it goes. I hope it goes well and that the kit doesn't show much its age. This is a kit that doesn't say. Tooling is from 1963, so yeah, a fair chunk of years under his belt, and a few mold injections under his belt. So this is so you guys can see, this is 1963 pack illustration and modern design and tooling. The pack design is for 2022, so you can see that there's a fair chunk of years on that. So opening the plastic bag, we are greeted with 1, 2 sprues and the deck. It's quite a bit of marks on it, injector pins all over it, but it's on the inside. This one, as you guys can see, there, Airfix 1963, so it doesn't lie, it really shows his age. It does really show his age. It does really show his age. There you go. Finally I got it. The parts are a bit on the flash side, as you guys can see. There's bits of flash, although I must say not a huge amount of detail present, as you guys can see. There's some detail present, not a huge amount. For a 1963 model you can't expect much more, so let's go with that. So again, it's the small kit, not many pieces, but again the flash is worrying me. It's killing me. As you guys can see, there's injector pin marks all over the place. I think this is a model that someone that really wants to build it would buy it. For a newcomer to the hobby, not really sure if it's the right one. But having said that, we're gonna give it a good crack on it. We're gonna try to build as much as we can, or to the highest standard that we can, and then we go from there. So this is what we have. It's not much. So again, 2 sprues. The kit have, I don't know how many pieces. What does it say? It is a skill 3 kit. Offers you 2 flying hours, and has 80 pieces. Length is 265 mil, width 28 mil, and 80 pieces, as you can see in here. There's a thing. 1x600, HMS Devonshire, skill level 3, flying hours 2. And if you guys are in doubt, always check near the barcode. You have the model design and tooling 1963, pack illustration 1983, pack design 2022. So this is, because it's a vintage Airfix, you know what to expect. So guys, this is what we have, the inbox review. I will be assembling this fairly soon, and I'll get back to you with the outcome and what we managed to achieve with it. So stay tuned on the channel, link and subscribe if you like it, and I'll see you all around. See you later, guys.